In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your Gmail account to premium. Let's dive right in and get started by opening your preferred web browser. Once it's open, head over to the Gmail website. You can do this by typing mail.google.com into the address bar and hitting enter. This action will take you directly to your Gmail inbox where all the magic happens. When you're in your inbox, look toward the upper right corner of the page for the Google Apps icon, a small grid of dots. Click on this icon, and a menu will appear, showcasing various Google services. In this menu, scroll through the available options until you spot Google One. Now, Google One is essentially your gateway to premium Google services, offering a variety of enhanced functionalities. Give it a click, and you'll find yourself on the Google One homepage. Here on the Google One page, look for the See Plans button. Clicking it will display the different subscription plans available to you. These plans include various tiers of storage and additional benefits designed to enhance your Google experience. Among these options, you'll notice the Premium plan. This specific plan offers you more storage space and adds features like expert support and family sharing capabilities, making it a worthwhile upgrade for many users. Once you've spotted the Premium plan, click on it to proceed. You will then be given the option to choose between a monthly or annual subscription. It's often wise to weigh the costs over time. If you're planning to use these enhanced features for the long term, the annual plan might offer some savings. After choosing the subscription type that suits your needs, click on Continue. This will lead you to Google's terms and conditions. Now, I know terms and conditions might not seem exciting, but it's important to read through them to understand what you're signing up for. Once you're done reviewing this document and if you agree to the terms, go ahead and check the box to signify your acceptance. Next, you'll need to select your preferred payment method from the options provided by Google. These options range from credit cards to PayPal, so choose whichever suits you best. After making your selection, confirm it by clicking the Subscribe button. This is the final step that completes your subscription, officially upgrading your Gmail account to the premium version. And just like that, with all these steps completed, you've now successfully upgraded to a premium Gmail account. You are now ready to explore the additional features and benefits that come with this upgrade. Remember, upgrading to premium not only gives you more storage but also enhances your Google experience across various services linked to your account. Thank you for joining me today and happy emailing with your new premium Gmail.